how you can hide your Instagram app on your iPhone. Now, hiding your Instagram app does not mean you'll have to uninstall it. I'll just teach you a way that you can hide the Instagram app but still have it on your iPhone. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is locate your Instagram app. After you've located it, just long press on it, and after you do that, you will see an option that says remove app. Tap on remove app and just tap on remove from home screen. Make sure that you don't click on delete app. Tap on remove from home screen and there you go, now it's gone. So you can check your iPhone, your home screen, and it will not be there. So now you can access your Instagram app by just typing your Instagram app on your search bar, and there you go, you'll find it and you can open it and use it as you like. So you can see that there is no Instagram app, you have just hidden it. That is basically how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.